How to design a YouTube banner. How to design a YouTube banner. Today I will be showing you guys how you can design a nice YouTube banner for yourself or for your loved ones. I'll be showing you step by step how you can get and create a YouTube beautiful banner for your YouTube. Hi, my name is Irene Lokoduwa. On this channel, we talk about how to grow your channel and how to make money both online and offline. So if this is what you like, this is what you're interested in, please hit the subscribe button, like, and hit the notification bell for more notifications, for more videos. So I'll be showing you guys now how you can design a YouTube banner. So hold on as I take you through my phone screen. This is my phone screen. So let's go through the phone browser. Then type Canva. We'll be using Canva for the design. We're using Canva, the free version of Canva. So I'll be typing Canva. This is it. This is how the logo looks like. This is Canva logo. This is how the logo looks like. This one here. So I already downloaded mine. If you haven't done that, you should do same also. So you have to download it. I've done that already. I'll be opening it now. Okay. This is how it looks like. So let's type YouTube banner. I already have it here though because I've used it before. So but let's just type YouTube banner here on this search top. YouTube banner or YouTube channel banner. YouTube channel banner. We'll be picking a simple one. A simple but nice one. Hold on, the network is kind of slow. Right, it's open now. So these are the templates. We have to choose one. They are also the ones of pro version. So we'll be using the free version of it. So there are some free ones and pro. Let's scroll down. Yeah, let's scroll down to see which one to choose. Depends on what you are using. It depends on your channel niche though. Depends on your channel niche. How about we choose this? The network is loading. Hold on. It's still loading. Sorry for the delay. Okay. Now it's open. It's not too open though. It's still opening. Wow, my network is bad though. Shit. Okay, this is it. This is the image. It's already YouTube size. It's already about the banner size. You don't need to worry about the banner. So we are asked. Sorry, Jerry. Here we'll change the image of this place. There is a photo. Let's replace it. let's just put this. That's okay too. Then let's change the name here. You don't need to touch it. Let's change the name to, let's say, peace. Yeah, let's just use peace. You can change the color though. If you want to change the color, this is how you change the color. You can choose any color you want to use. This is it. You can change the color. You can choose any other color. You can choose this. You can choose this to any color you like. So I'll just go with anyone. I'll go with the white. Then let's change the other one. Or we should leave it. Okay. Hold on, sorry. Okay, let's change this the other background. What should we use? Should we use a photo or okay, let's do it like this. Let's try this. This is beautiful though. This is beautiful. This is okay. Okay, let's replace it. Replace it with okay, let's just change the use the background instead of photo. You can type whatever you want. If you are into food niche, you can type food. You can type food background. Okay. So these are for food. Let's choose one of these. This is also beautiful. You can change it. Let's change it to replace it with something else. You can try any other, any one of your choice. These are the images you can use. The template, you can use any of them. You're into food, any food at all, you can use. Okay, let's use this. This is also good. So whichever one you wish to use, you can use any one of your choice. There are different types. Or we can use ordinary background. This is it. This is beautiful though. You can, whatever you want, you change it to, you just type it up. You can just change the color. This is it. You can change it to any color. This is it. This one is also nice. So you can change it to whichever color you want. So whichever you want, you change it to it. How about we go with this? Or should we use one of these? No, this is not nice. Don't like this. Let's change, replace it. Okay, let's type something else then. Let's type cream background. No, not this pastel. Hmm. I guess it's the network that's making it to bring something like this. So let's just go with something like this thing. Or you can also type, if you are someone that is into, what the hell is this? Sorry for that. Let's type something else. Maybe starry sky. Mhm. So these are another beautiful background. Yeah, beautiful template. You can use any of these too. Any of the image you choose you like. They are all YouTube size. They are all banner size. Anyone can just use any of it. If you like rain, you type rain. Whatever you don't like, you type it. Why are you not like this? Mhm. So this is it. So if you are to download it, you choose this arrow here, this top arrow that's close to this download. Sorry, if you want to download it, use this arrow that's at the top. I'll put a mark there so you guys will understand. Okay, let's just download it. It's downloading. So after downloading, you will see it on your phone memory. It will be on your phone gallery, or to just be on your yeah, your photos, your phone memory. To download straight to your phone memory. Hold on, the network is bad. It's still downloading. Mm, it's quite taking time. I guess I have to just end it here then. Or when after download it on your downloading it, you will see it on your phone memory. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much. So now